Hello, in this session I am going to teach you the concept of folding and unfolding of napkins. So let's start. So firstly, take a napkin of square shape of any color. Like here we have taken a pink color napkin. Lay down the napkin flat with the front side down. Fold the napkin in half and turn the open end away from you. Now fold the napkin into quarters like this. Now we are going to unfold this napkin. Firstly, open this quarter part. Then by touching both the edges from the end part, open another layer like this. So our napkin is unfolded. Do practice this 2 to 3 times. The objective of creating a beautiful napkin fold is to enhance the child about table presentation and create a harmonious atmosphere. It also gives sufficient confidence to eventually make a fold that you may call their own creation. Hope the concept is clear to you. Thank you so much.